guys, here we have it here in Best Buy again. So we're gonna go see what we can find. Some Pokemon things on Detective Pikachu, whatever you can find. So come on guys, let's go. So here what's up guys, we're here inside, now we're inside Best Buy, just checking out the Pokemon things. And look what we found. We found Bulbasaur little thing. So yeah, just comment down below if you guys want me to buy this Bulbasaur next video. Just comment down below. Buy Bulbasaur. Let's see what else we can find. Look what we have here. We got the Eevee Evolution, Titan, lastly, Eevee and Snorlax, little tin cans, Detective Pikachu. Nothing really good at this first Best Buy, guys. Well, you know, you gotta keep looking for these things. Okay, guys. We found a section just for Detective Pikachu. We got the case files and the Charizard ones, Mewtwo and the Green Ninja. You also the tin can. So we're gonna get the tin can, guys, and the Mewtwo one, because our brother might get the Charizard one. Or he might get the Mewtwo one. So let's get this, guys, and let's just open them up, guys. So see you back home, guys. So we're gonna get this one and this one. Hey, what's up, guys? It's Super Chris here, back at it again for another box opening on Detective Pikachu. So today we have here, I have the Charizard case file, and my little brother has
Detective Pikachu one.
for the Mewtwo one.
The Mewtwo one, my bad. Mewtwo. I got the Mewtwo one.
Yeah, so right here, I'll tell you whatever I have inside mine.
So I got a foil promo card featuring Mewtwo GX, an oversized card of Mewtwo GX, 4 Detective Pikachu's booster packs, 2 additional TCG booster packs, and 1 code for Pokemon trading game online. It's pretty much the same thing for him, but his has Mewtwo. You go Charizard.
Charizard, yeah.
Charizard.
Charizard!
And mine has Mewtwo, which is the most strongest Pokemon. And
So, you know, just stay tuned, because my, the Jumbo Charizard, I'm giving it away, guys. Again, another one, I'm giving it away. Okay, guys, so let's start opening them, guys. Well, here's the inside, guys.
I thought it was awesome.
Ooh, damn, I'm just ripping it like crazy. Ooh. Damn. That's what is it? Clean. Almost clean. Okay. Damn, guys.
What are you talking about? Mine was my team.
So I'm also giving away the promo card, guys. Little promo card and the big promo card. So here's the
Damn, they
So here's
double
the card.
sealed this one. Did they double seal yours?
yeah. Double summon. So here's the card, guys. Charizard.
Damn, you should
And for you guys can get it for your own card too. Here's the little promo card for the case file.
I'm gonna give this one away. Mewtwo's mine.
Here's yours.
Mewtwo's mine.
Here's the jumbo card, guys. The jumbo cards.
Pretty
Jumbo.
sure mine's stronger than his.
Mine's 250.
Mine's a GX one.
Aha, mine's GX2. You know, so you gotta. Yeah. Oh, there you go. Come on. Ooh, put on. So here we go, guys. So we got 4. Call it 4 Detective Pikachu. Okay. So I'm still looking for Green Ninja, guys, and Ditto.
I already got them.
You got the whole collection? You got the collection?
I just got Green Ninjas.
Yeah. So yeah, and also we got 1 Guardians Rising and 1 Crimson Invasion. What do you got?
I got Sun and Moon, Sun and Moon.
Sunny Moon, but Bird Shadow Edition. He has that one.
So this one's just regular.
Just regular Sunny Moon for John. So we're gonna open these at the end, and let's get on with the first Detective Pikachu one. So guys, I got
First tongue, I got Lickitung.
I got Morlo.
I got Jigglypuff.
I got Bulbasaur. Guys, Bulbasaur's all fucking cool, bro.
I got Magikarp.
Now I got
And I got Detective Pikachu again.
I got Mr. Mime, guys. Mr. Mime, or how my brother calls it, Mr. Meme. I got Mr. Meme, guys. You're sick. And here's the promo card, guys. You know, I always give them away on the videos. So here's the promo cards. You guys get your own booster pack. And here's my brother's booster one as well. So, you know, guys. Here goes another one, guys. Charizard, so good, guys. Charizard, so good. I'm looking for that green ninja, guys. Green ninja. Green ninja.
I got Magikarp.
I got Bulbasaur.
I got Charmander.
I got Licky Tongue.
Morlo.
I got Snubbles.
I got Machamp.
I got a green ninja, guys! So the card I've been looking for, I got a green ninja, guys. Green ninja. Finally. So I'm happy because of that. I finally got the green ninja, guys. So here's my Detective Booster Pack, guys. So you guys can get it your own. And because of the Cruz family always likes to see what you guys get. So don't forget to comment down below what you get. Because we always want to know. Because, you know, we're always giving away out these free promo cards. So I know. Just comment down below, guys. Oh, yeah. Today's beating me. Oh, those beating me today. Ooh, I think we got the same one today. I got Magikarp.
Oh, yeah, I got
I
Magikarp
got
too.
Magikarp.
Morlo.
I got Charmander.
Slugbull.
Moral.
Detective Pikachu again. What is this?
I got Ludicolo.
What is this?
What is this? So now, here's the promo card again, guys. You guys can get your own booster packs.
It's like my third Pikachu I got in this pack opening.
Another one, guys. You know, guys, you say positive all the time. You know, we gotta be happy. You know, we do this for fun. So, you know, we like doing these videos for you guys. We love doing it. So,
First card I got is Magikarp.
I got Psyduck.
Morlo.
I got Snowball.
I got Snowball too.
I got Magikarp.
I got Slacking.
I got Arcanine, guys. Arcanine. We still haven't pulled out that Mewtwo, Johnny.
Is there Mewtwo?
Yeah, there's a Mewtwo in this one. So we.
So this doesn't count?
No, dude. There's also Mewtwo out there. So we're
Yeah,
missing Mewtwo, guys. We're both missing Mewtwo. We all got every other card. But we still don't got
Which one
Mewtwo.
I'll open one? No.
So, Sun Transformation, Guardian Galaxy. I don't know, the cool one. The cool one we'll do for them. Open. So we're gonna open my Guardian Rising. So
I gotta open my regular one. My regular.
So you know, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2.
Only one. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2.
You did it wrong, but you did retrospect.
Is it wrong?
Yeah, but don't worry.
I got Sandoli.
Macro.
Sandioli.
I got a Logan Sandra.
Peep.
I got Machop. Machop.
I got Carvahan.
I got Chanty.
Taj Dermer.
And I got Snorunt.
Chinchou.
Energy. I got an energy card. Fire.
Brownie.
I got Ultra Moon thing.
Timer Ball.
I got Scizor.
Boldor.
I got Rolling Hills. I got Reverse Hollow. Wishy Wash. And for my super rare, I got a GX card, guys. A GX. So back at it again. I've been winning. My brother hasn't been winning so far, guys. So I tell you,
I think I messed
GX.
this up, bro, because I don't know where my GX is.
This is your so you got Reverse Hollow rare, this one, and it's for his rare. He got Lampy. So this is it. So hollow, you put them like this. This is hollow rare, and this is your rare.
God,
So look at what I got me.
okay.
Damn, guys, I'm freaking winning. So here's the promo card from my brothers. And here's mine, bro. Here's mine. So, guys. Pretty cool, guys. Pretty cool.
So how you do it? 1,
Huh?
2, 3, 4.
Yeah, and then go. These two will be at the end. Like that.
I got Pampor.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I got Ratata.
So I got. Oh! I already know what my rare guys is. Damn, slip, guys, slip. My bad.
Moldbray.
I got Reward.
Magikarp.
I got Mankey.
I got Pinsir.
I got Swirl.
Matab. Wait.
I got
Metapod.
Cardoblast.
I got Lana.
I got Feebas.
I got Electrobuzz.
I got Energy. And I got the family. The whole complete family, guys.
Whoa!
Card.
Who is this?
We got Pikachu.
Shiny Pikachu.
We got Reverse Hollow Pikachu.
Oh And I got this guy.
I got Fighting Memory. I got Reverse Hollow Manchico. And for my rare, guys, I got. Here you guys. And then this is for my Crimson Invasion one from my brother. And for mine, I got my Burning. No, he got Burning Shot. My bad. The first one was mine. So yeah, guys. So I won again, guys. I won again. 3 times in a row, guys. 3 times in a row. I've been winning, my brother. First, I got a GX card for the first ever video that we ever made, and then I got a reverse rare. No. Foil rare hollow crimson, and then I got today I got the complete GX card, guys. GX. So just comment down below. We're giving out the big jumbo mine. I'm giving mine out, my jumbo Charizard and little Charizard, for if we hit 1,000 subscribers. Oh no, not 1,000 subscribers. 1,000 views for this one and 2,000 views for this one. I'm shipping it out to you guys anywhere you like, anywhere you live. No fee at all. I'll ship them down below. Just comment down below. This time is new. Who do you think will win the next drawing? Is it me or my brother? Comment down below. So, Team Sergio or Team Brother? Or how do you want to call yourself? Brother?
Oh, Chino.
Team Chino and Team Cruz. No. Team Checo. Here we go. If you don't know how to spell that, it's CHECO. Team Checo versus Team Chino. Okay, guys? And for the next video, don't forget, on Monday, we're going to make another Pokemon video. Stay tuned. Turn on your notification buttons, because we're going to make a new video. And this time, I'll make a new video about the new Tin Can. Tin Can of Detective Pikachu, guys. Tin Can. It comes with 7 Detective Pikachu booster packs and a color pen and much more. So it's gonna come with a lot of things, and I'm gonna give out everything I get from here. I'm gonna give it away, okay? So stay tuned. And also, my brother got that Vaporeon GX opening, so that's a huge one too, guys. Huge one. So stay tuned, guys. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. And Johnny?
Turn on those post notifications, ring the bell.
Absolutely. And also, don't forget to join the Super Cruise family. The Super Cruise family is always the most positive, the most energetic, the most incredible family out there at YouTube land and anywhere land in the whole world. So guys, stay positive, and I'll see you next time in the next video. See you guys. Bye.